The hardest pain to carry is the one that has no words. Yung tahimik lang sila, hindi nagrereklamo, hindi nagsasabi, pero ramdam mong mabigat, ramdam mong may sugat. And sometimes that's the kind of partner that we have. Someone who doesn't know how to say nasasaktan ako, someone who hides behind their smile and short replies. But deep down, durog sila, wasak. Ang hirap 'di ba? Kasi gusto mong tulungan, pero paano kung ayaw magsalita? Paano kung, kaya lang nila ipakita ay katahimikan? Maybe that's when loves come in, not the loud kind, not even the dramatic kind, but the quiet kind. The one that sit beside it silent, the one that holds our hands without asking, the one that whisper, hindi ko man alam kung anong eksaktong pinagdadaanan mo, nandito lang ako, hindi kita iiwan. Kasi 'di ba most of the time, we don't really need solution. They don't need big speechless. We need someone who won't walk away when the silence get heavy. That's what commitment looks like. To stay, even you don't understand everything. To choose patient, kahit mahirap. To choose present, kahit walang sinasabi. And little by little, when they feel safe, when they feel your consistency, doon sila ulit magtutong matiwala. Doon sila matutong magsalita. Doon nila mararamdaman na kahit hindi nila kayang sabihin, hindi sila nag-iisa. That's the kind of love that heals. The kind that listens to silence, yung nakikinig sa katahimikan, yung umiintindi kahit walang sinasabing salita, yung uri ng pagmamahal na nananatili na nagsasasabi, "I see your pain and I'm not leaving."